She will regret leaving you. The silent power of no contact. When she left, she thought you'd chase. But silence is what makes her remember. 1. Silence, not to punish her but to rebuild yourself. Silence brings strength. 2. Fix what's broken. Not for her, for you. Remove jealousy, fear, weakness, rise. 3. Don't talk about progress. Become it. Train, move, improve. Let her see the echo of your growth. 4. Build standards. Respect yourself. You don't chase. You attract. 5. You're ready to break silence when you can walk away without fear. When peace matters more than her attention. 6. That's when the balance shifts. She starts to miss your calm. She feels your absence. 7. When you reach out, be simple. Want to grab a coffee and walk? Speak from strength, not need. 8. Meet her as a new man. Calm, focused, grounded. You have standards, boundaries, and purpose. 9. Don't apologize to please her. Apologize only for truth. You're not the man who begged. You're the man who rebuilt himself. 10. When she sees you again, your calm says everything. You've moved beyond pain. You've become the peace she lost. You don't win her back by proving your worth. You win by remembering it. If you found this message valuable, subscribe to Silent Stoic, where each day you grow stronger, calmer, untouchable.